N is a multiple of 3.
Yes, what else? Focus on n plus 120. N plus 120 is multiple of 3, right? What else?
It's also a multiple of 7.
No, focus on only 3, power of 3. We have two
But
conditions. You
only
said,
has
yes, means 9 doesn't divide this, right?
yeah.
And here it is equivalent that we say V3. Do you know V3 means what?
Oh yeah, the guardians.
Power of 3 in n plus 120, right? So V3 of n plus 120 is what?
So be
1, exactly. So by this part, we can say, because V3 is 1, n plus 120 is 0 mod 3, right?
yeah.
N plus 120 is what mod 9? Can be what mod 9? Then exact 3 or 6. So M120 is what mod 9?
Mm, 3.
Exact. So we can conclude N is what mod 9?
0 or 3.
Exactly. It is the first result that is useful, okay? Now let's focus on 7. For 7, what can we say?
7 divides n plus 120 by 49 percent.
7 divides N plus 120, then what?
49 does not.
Why 49 does not?
Because the GCD should have only one power of 7 in it. So.
But here power of 7 is 1.
Oh wait.
Exactly. We have only this, right?
Yeah.
So and we can conclude V7 of when we can conclude what about V7 of n plus 120?
It's what?
At least 1.
Actually, this one.
Yes, we don't need to consider this in this case, but I just wanted to check with you, okay, to pay attention to these things. So we can change it to modulo n plus 120 is what mod 7?
Um, one. I mean, 0.
Yes, 120 is what mod 7?
One.
1. So n is what mod 7?
6.
Exactly. So it is second result, right?
Yeah.
Now we've completely considered this, right?
Yeah.
Now let's focus on second part, okay? On second part, you should change it to something like this. That, for example, look, previous part, this part is equivalent. That n mod 7 should be this, and n mod 7 should be this, right?
Yeah.
Here, you should reach similar results. So try this part first on your own. Find all modulos that are to find that they are equivalent to this GCD, okay? So try.
Okay, so I'm getting n is congruent to 1 mod 4, n is congruent to 0 mod 30, and n is congruent to
N is. Let me write your results. Can you say it again?
yeah. 1 mod
Okay. What else?
0 mod 30,
0 mod 3. What else?
2 mod 5.
2 mod 5. Okay, let's check. GCD of n plus 63. And 120 is 2 cubed times 3 times 5 is 60. Which is 2 squared times 3 times 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When we consider power of 2, we can conclude that V2 of n plus 63 is what?
Oh, it should be 2.
Yes. So you should pay attention to one more thing. We should have one mod that I cannot see. Here. You should add one more mod only by checking this. Try to find that mod, okay?
Would it be n plus 63 is congruent to 0 over 4 mod 8?
N plus 63 is congruent to what mod? 0 mod 4. What else?
And 4 mod 8.
Exactly. Do you agree when we consider it is 4 mod 8, it is also 0 mod 4, right?
Yeah.
So we need to only consider this, right?
Yeah.
63 mod 8 is what?
7.
7 or negative 1, right?
Yeah.
So let me correct it. N mod 8 is what then?
So n mod 8 is 5.
Yeah.
I mean, n is 5 mod 8.
Exactly. Now let's consider 3. Okay, 3, 3. From 3, we can conclude this one is multiple of 3, right? Then it's correct. For 5, it is 5, it is 5, right? So this one should be multiple of 5, that's correct, it's 2. So let's consider all modulos that we've reached so far. Let me write them here. We've reached this. We've reached this one. And we've reached this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. If we consider these 5 mods, one of them is useless. Can you tell me which one is useless?
9 mod 8. No, 9 mod 9.
Mod 9 is useless. Let me check something. Why you said 0 or 9? Mine is 0 or 3, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Because 9 is 0 again. So mod 9, 0 or 3. In these 5 mods, okay, it is not guessing. Try to check all of them. One mod is useless. You can ignore that. Which mod, okay? Try to find that mod. Want hint?
Yeah.
Do you agree when mod 9 is 0 or 3? Then it is multiple of 3. So from here we can conclude this one, right?
Yes.
So do you agree we can ignore mod 3?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's erase mod 3. So we have these mods, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And the problem says what? The problem says find the least positive integer less than greater than 1000. Okay. So I want to solve one by one, for example, from these two. Because here we have two options for 9, let's check it in the last step. So from here, because we know mod 8, mod 5, we can find mod what?
Mod 40.
Okay, so try to find n mod 40 is what, okay? I told you last session, right, how to solve these types of problems, right?
Yeah.
Okay, try.
I'm getting mod. It's congruent to 37, mod 40.
37?
Yeah.
Okay. 37, which is mod 8, 5, mod 5 2. Good job. Now, by these two things, we can find n mod what?
And then we can find mod 280.
Exactly. Find mod 280 is what?
I'm getting 237.
237, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check. 237. 237 mod 40 is -3, that's correct. Mod 7 is 6, 327. Yes. What was your approach? You said 40k plus 37?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now for this one, because mod 9 is 03, we should consider two cases, right?
Yeah.
N is 237 mod 280, and N is 0 mod 9, right?
Yeah.
So we can find N mod what?
Uh, 2520.
Exactly, 9, 8, 72, 7, 25. So, in this case 1, case 2 is that N is 237 mod 280, and N is 3 mod 9, right?
Yeah.
So in this case also we can find N mod 2520, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if you find these two question marks, then we can solve the problem, right? Okay,
Yeah.
find first this question mark, okay?
I'm getting 1917 mod 2520.
1917, exact. 1917, and now solve this question mark.
237 mod 2520.
You said 237.
Yeah.
Okay, 237. Let me write. Yes, 237 mod 9. But it says for this case, minimum n, because n should be at least 1000, right?
Yeah.
It says n is at least, I think, 1000, right? Yes. Greater, strictly greater. Okay, it's not important here because 1000 is not possible. So minimum n is 1917. For this case, minimum n is what?
2757.
Exactly. So answer will be what then? Minimum n will be what then?
917.
1917. And so answer is what sum of the digits?
18.
18, exactly. So the correct choice is C. Okay.
Okay.
Your solution was different, I think, completely, right?
Yeah.